Welcome to Shiny Sprouts channel.
Hello, kids. Do you know what day it is today? Let's learn the 7 days of the week together. Weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday. Monday is the start of a brand new week. Monday. It's Monday. Let's get ready for a brand new school week. Are your bags packed and smiles on? Tuesday. Tuesday is a great day to try something new. Happy Tuesday. What new thing will you try today? Drawing, painting, or maybe singing a song? Wednesday. Wednesday is right in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. We are halfway through. Can you stretch tall like a tree and say, "We can do it"? Thursday. Thursday means we are almost at the weekend. Hey, it's Thursday. The weekend is near. What fun plans do you have in mind? Friday. Friday is the best day to play and smile. It's Friday. Let's dance, sing, and celebrate the fun we had this week. Saturday. Saturday is a fun holiday. Hello, Saturday. It's playtime. What game will you play today at home? Sunday. Sunday is for rest and time with family. It's Sunday. Time to rest and cuddle with your family. Who do you love spending Sunday with? Now, we all know the 7 days of the week. Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Weekday song. Wake up, it's fun day. Hello, hello, Monday. Paint and play Tuesday. Colorful and true day. Jump up, it's midway. Happy, happy Wednesday. Clap hands, it's cheer day. We all love Thursday. Smile big, it's play day. Hip, hooray, Friday. Let's laugh, it's a smile day. We all love Saturday. Rest well, it's Sunday. Sunny, funny Sunday. 7 days, hooray. Back to school, shaking hands. Clap your hands, now you know. 7 days of the week. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Magical Monday, time to start. Tick tock, Tuesday, hear the clock. Wiggly Wednesday, here we play. Twinkling Thursday, sky so blue. Funny Friday, here we cheer. Silly Saturday, let's all shout. Sleepy Sunday, time to rest. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Back to school, shaking hands.
Please like and subscribe Shiny Sprouts channel. Thank you.